Hi, it's the Honey Queen, and here with another recipe. This is M's Cottage Meatloaf. My youngest daughter, Emily, was in the very beginning with me in my YouTube days. These are our shirts. She did the intro. She's my videographer, my advisor. I would do my taste tester, all sorts of things. Anyway, we're gonna put this to the taste test that now she has it for her birthday. It's her 23rd birthday, and now here's your present so that you don't have to ask me for the recipe anymore. And it is a comfort food, one of your favorite comfort foods. So we have brown sugar. This will be the topping, the ketchup, the mustard, and brown sugar. We have hamburger. I actually get it at Costco, and what I do is I get that in bulk and then I break it down and put it in freezer, paper and all that stuff. Of course, Cottage honey, fresh piece of bread, peppers of any color, bell peppers, onion, eggs, tomato juice, but I'm using V8, it doesn't matter, either one will work. And also black pepper, salt, and red pepper flakes. Now one thing I want to say here is you can top it off with basil. I do grow my own basil there, so it's going to be the garnish on top of it. This recipe, I will keep the full for 5 to 6 people ingredients, but I'm actually cutting everything in half because it's just my husband and I now. Okay. All right, sweet girl, for your 23rd birthday, here's your comfort food. We're going to start out by mixing half of a cup of tomato ketchup, 1/3 cup of the tomato juice, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and about 1/8 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, unless you like a little hotter. 2 eggs, a tablespoon of Cox's delicious golden honey liquid, 1 slice of fresh bread. This is sourdough, but you could use any kind. 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1/4 or a little less than of chopped bell pepper, any color, 2 teaspoons of mustard, prepared mustard. Combine and mix until blended. Add 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Mix it in gently but thoroughly. Press your mixed meatloaf into a foil-lined loaf pan, square pan, rectangle pan, any shaped pan. But you're happy that you lined it. Once you've pressed it in, you're going to make the topping. All the topping is 1/4 a cup of the ketchup, half a teaspoon of the mustard prepared, and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'll mix that and we'll spread on the top. Preheat your oven to 400. You can cook it anywhere from 35 minutes to 45 minutes. 35 usually does it just right because you let it rest for 5 minutes sitting out and it still keeps cooking. So I'd say that's a good judge of wellness. It's done, but you might want it more done than that. And I'm going to actually serve zucchini with it. Now let's set the timer for 35 minutes.
Good afternoon, Virginia. 35 minutes, starting now.
I'm the teacher, I say, good afternoon, honey queen. All baked. I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes, and then I'll pour out the fat, if there is any, because I get the highest of no fat content, fat-free, whatever you got. But I have made zucchini, and I topped it with some cheese and some garlic and onions and pepper, garlic salt. And I am boiling some Idaho red potatoes. That will mash those up for mashed potatoes next to it. And that's how I serve it. Grandchildren, did you find the D? It was right here the whole time. This is a great book. If you haven't read it, I will lend it to you and let you read it. It's a super good book. One drop at a time. It talks about the little bee and how hard it works and only gets one drop of honey. She works hard for the money. So like this video below, subscribe, share with other people, and happy birthday, Emily. Happy 23rd birthday. Have a sweet birthday. Love your mom. Love you. I forgot to mention that you need to top it with the basil as a garnish. Here's my basil. Emily, I need you to come home and do a taste test.